In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize quote templates in HubSpot. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, customizing quote templates can significantly enhance how you communicate with your prospects and clients, creating a professional and consistent look that aligns with your brand. Having a personalized approach in your quotes can not only improve the visual appeal, but can also help in conveying professionalism to your clients. Let's dive into the process of how you can do this within HubSpot. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your HubSpot account and then navigate to the HubSpot user guide. You can typically find this guide on the homepage of your HubSpot dashboard, making it your go-to resource for all things related to using HubSpot efficiently. It serves not only as a help center, but also as a stepping stone for navigating complex features. Once you've accessed the user guide, locate and click on the Commerce tab. This section is crucial as it houses all the commercial aspects of your HubSpot account, including payments, product catalogs, and of course, quotes. Here, you might benefit from taking a moment to familiarize yourself with other available options, which can enrich your overall understanding of HubSpot's capabilities in streamlining your business processes. Within the Commerce tab, search for and click on Quotes. Clicking here will direct you to the section specifically designed for managing quotes, where you see a list of the quotes you have previously created or have in progress. This area is where the bulk of your customization will occur, so it's helpful to explore and understand its features fully. Once you're in the Quotes section, look for the Highlight button. Clicking this option is necessary as it directs you towards selecting the specific quote template you wish to customize. If you have multiple templates populating your screen, be sure to choose the right one that aligns with your immediate needs or project requirements. After selecting the template, go ahead and click on the Edit button. Here is where you can get creative. This interface allows you to alter various aspects of your template, including text styles, adding logos, or modifying the layout to better fit your brand's image. Each change can enhance how your documents look and feel when they reach your clients, helping solidify your company's brand image. And there you have it, a simple and practical guide to customizing your quote templates in HubSpot. Taking the time to personalize your templates can not only make them more visually appealing, but can ensure they better represent your business identity, potentially helping you close deals more efficiently. Customize your way to success by making the most of this powerful tool. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in enhancing your HubSpot experience.